Good morning, children. Let's see today's thought. Vruthadanam samartheshu, which means that charity to a capable person is wasted. If we donate anything to a capable person or a person who has having that thing already, then our charity or if our donation will be wasted. In previous period, we have seen that Eshah and Sah, these are the two forms of Etat pronoun and Tat pronoun. Meaning of this is Esha means this and Sah means he. This is about masculine gender. We have seen sentences about them. Then Esha means this again and Sa means she. Esha, Eshah, they are the forms of Etat pronoun used in different genders. Here are some sentences for feminine gender. Then we will move forward to Etad and Tad. These two are the forms of Etat pronoun and Tad pronoun of neuter gender. The meaning of Etad is this and the meaning of Tad is that or it. Now here we will see some examples. Etat phalam, this is a fruit. Etat patati, this falls or this is falling. Kim patati, what is falling? Etat phalam patati, this fruit is falling or this fruit falls. Now, tat means that or it. Here we will use it as that. Tat kamalam, that is a lotus. Tat vikasati, that is blooming or that blooms. Kim vikasati, what is blooming? Tat kamalam vikasati, that lotus is blooming. Now this is about neuter gender. Up till now we have studied how to use pronouns of etat, forms of pronouns of etat and tat in masculine gender, feminine gender and neuter gender. Now here are some examples. Some pictures are given. We have to make sentences according to the picture. Vyajanam chalati, the fan is moving. Apatyam, we can see here he is smiling, so hasati. Apatyam means a child. It could she could be means a boy or a girl. Then jalam, vahati, the water is flowing or water falls. Then relayanam dhavati. So here are the sentences. You have to write these sentences in your copy. Now, on page number 7 of your textbook, some shabdaha are given. What we have to do here, we will just arrange these words gender wise. That is Pullingam, Strilingam and Napunsakalingam. Ashvaha is of masculine gender, Vruddha is of feminine gender, Parinam is of neuter gender. Vrukshaha Pullingam, Eshaha Pullingam, Petika Strilingam, Gaganam Napunsakalingam, Hastaha Pullingam, Sa Strilingam, Chashakaha Pullingam, Kupi Strilingam, Tat Napunsakalingam, Vanam Napunsakalingam, Patram Napunsakalingam, Nadi Strilingam, Esha Strilingam, Sthalika Strilingam, Phalam Napunsakalingam, Yanam Napunsakalingam, Purushaha Pullingam, Etat Napunsakalingam, Udaram Napunsakalingam. Here I wrote some words and in this form only you will write these words like Pullinga Shabdaha, Ashvaha, Vrukshaha, Eshaha and all the masculine gender words. Strilinga shabdaha vruddha petika sa and all the feminine gender words. Then napunsakalinga shabdaha tat vanam patram and all the neuter gender words. This you have to write in your copy. Then here pathata bodhata is given on page number 8 below your bhasha abhyasah. Now we will see pathata and bodhata. Here you can see some hands giving directions there. Atra. Atra means here. Tatra means there. Kutra means where. Now we will see some examples. Shunakaha atra. A dog is here. Balika atra. A girl is here. Kandukaha kutra. Where is the ball? Kandukaha atra. Here is the ball. Then Parvatah tatra. The thing which is far from us, we will say that thing tatra, and the thing which is near to us, we will say there atra. So Parvatah tatra, the mountain is there. Vrukshah tatra, the tree is there. You can see in the picture that the mountain, the tree is far away from us. Then Nadi kutra, where is the river? Nadi tatra, the river is there. Vayuhu kutra, where is air? Vayuhu sarvatra. Sarvatra means everywhere. Prakashah kutra, where is the light? Prakashah sarvatra, the light is everywhere. Yanam kutra, where is the vehicle? Yanam means vehicle. Yanam atra nasti. Nasti means na asti, that is not, is not. The vehicle is not here. Yanam tatra asti. The vehicle is Yanam tatra nasti. The vehicle is not there. Yanam anyatra. Anyatra means at some other place or elsewhere. So Yanam anyatra means the vehicle is at some other place. Now some words are given here. Atra, here. Tatra, there. Kutra, where. Anyatra, at some other place or elsewhere. Then Sarvatra, everywhere. Ekatra, together. Now you will write these words in your copy like this. Then Bhasha Abhyasa, this is given on page number 8. Yoga Stambeshu Shabdan Likhata, words are given there. You will write words here and you will bifurcate the words in these columns Saha, Sa and Tat, that is masculine gender, feminine gender. Tat means neuter gender, that means Pullingam, Strilingam and Napunsakalingam. Here answers are given. You will write these, you will write words first and you will write these answers in your copy. Then second question is Prashna Nirmanam Kuruta. You have to frame the question. For given sentence, Chhatraha likhati, so you have to frame Kaha likhati, who is writing. Then you will get the answer, a student is writing. Phalam patati, kim patati. Balika gayati, ka gayati, who is singing? Balika is singing, that means a girl is singing. Markatah khadati, markatah means a monkey. Kaha khadati, esha pashyati, ka pashyati. Now you will see here Chhatra is of masculine gender. That's why kim pronoun is used in masculine gender here. Phalam is of neuter gender. That's why kim pronoun is used in neuter gender. Balika is of feminine gender. That's why ka is the form of feminine gender is used here. This is the property of kim pronoun. If we have to frame question, then we have to use the word of Kim pronoun or the form of Kim pronoun as of the gender of the word for which we have to frame a question. So children, your homework is you write Shabdaha of page number 7 in the form given in PDF. That means you have to write in form of these words. You have to write these words in the form of this Pullinga Shabda, Strilinga Shabda and Napunsakalinga Shabdaha. And your second homework is write Bhasha Abhyasaha in your copy, which is given on page number 8. You will write the question and the answers given in this slide. I am providing you the PDF file. You will complete your copy so that we can start our new lesson. Thank you.